What's up guys, Luis here and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be going step by step on everything you need to do to get started with Facebook Shops. So if you're hearing a lot about Facebook automation right now, most people are going with Marketplace, right? Because it's the easiest to get started in. But in this video, we're going to be going step by step on how to get started with Facebook Shops. Perfect, so let's get started. Let's hop onto my computer. Alright, so first we're going to go ahead and go over to our pages. So here on the left, that's my name, pages right here. And then, as you guys can see, this is my current shop, but we're going to create a new page. So, current shop has 166 likes. But, again, new page. Go ahead and create new page. We're going to name the page. So, let's see. We're going to go with Home Decor Plus. Let's do that. Perfect. Category, I usually put discount stores. You can put home decor, but it doesn't really matter. So let's just go ahead and put discount stores. Description, let's just grab my description from my other shop just because I don't want to type a new one. Let's just copy and paste it real quick. Let's see. So where is my description? Go ahead, right there it is. Boom, copy, Command C, Command V. And then we're going to change the name at Home Decor Plus shop. At Home Decor Plus, we provide blah, blah, blah. We're great. Create page. Perfect. So then we're going to go ahead and add a profile photo. So we need to find a profile photo or a logo. So let's just see. Maybe there's already a logo. You know, sometimes with a pretty generic name there might already be a logo designed for us and it's not that important. So let's see, home decor logo. Look at all these logos that we can use, but we want home decor plus, right? So home decor plus logo. Let's see, home decor plus, boom, there is a logo that we can use. Looks beautiful. All right, we're going to copy it, save it to our desktop or wherever, somewhere you can find it. So I'm going to save it to my desktop. That's, oh, wrong desktop. And there we go. Save. So now we're going to go back to Facebook. We're going to hit add profile photo and we're going to find that photo wherever we left it. There she is. Boom, boom. Beautiful logo. Wow, that's just beautiful. So now we got to find a cover photo. So we're going to go to cover photo. We're going to kind of do the same thing. Home decor wallpaper. Perfect. And we're just going to kind of find something that looks pretty cool. So, you know, because it doesn't really matter. Again, it's not that important, but I just want it to look cool. So here we go. That looks great. Let's save it. And then we're going to go and save it to your desktop. Add it to your cover photo. Boom, boom, boom. Open and ta-da. Look at how beautiful your page is. Oh, that's gross. Let's move that up. Drag to reposition. Boom. Nice. There we go. Starting to look like a real page. So we're going to hit save. Everything looks good. Alright, so you can just, you know, not put a phone number unless you want people calling you. And then let's go ahead and complete these steps. So let's see, establish, blah, blah, blah. We already added a profile photo, so I'm not sure why it's saying that. So let's just go ahead and skip and mark as complete. Boom, that is completed. 6 steps left, provide info, so add a website. So here we can create a Shopify website and add the website, which, you know, I've seen sometimes help, you know, for getting approval for shops, but it's not really required. So let's just hit this page doesn't apply. Location. You can usually add the US or whatever, but this page doesn't have a location, it's fine. And then go ahead and hit the X. There's no need to save, it saves automatically. Business hours, I put always open. Phone number doesn't apply. WhatsApp doesn't apply. Add a button doesn't apply. And completed. Introduce your page. So let's make a little welcome post. So let's see, just welcome to our shop or something along the lines of that. You know, look forward to fulfilling your shopping needs or something. For all your shopping needs. and then you're gonna invite your friends. You're going to, there's no select all button, so you need to manually select every single person. Yeah, so it's kind of tedious, but you have to select every single person, and then after you do that, then you'll be able to send the invite. So yeah, let's just pretend we did that. So create username. So for username, you can just put something that kind of sounds like the shop name or is the shop name. A lot of the times it is taken, but you should be able to just do it. Let's see, the shop. Perfect. So is it good? We're good. So create username. Hit done. And at this point, we're good to go. Your page is created. So now we need to go over to creating the actual shop or applying for the actual shop. Oh, let's mark this as completed. Boom, we're done. All right, so let's refresh that. So there's two ways to get into applying for a shop. I don't know why they give you so many ways to do it, but you can hit sell your products. Where's that link? Right there. So you can hit sell your products and it'll walk you through building a shop, or you can continue. You can Google create a Facebook shop and it'll be the first link. There it is. And if you scroll down, there will be a link. Yes, right there. Go and create your shop. And then just kind of walk through these steps and it'll walk you through it. It's the same thing on this side. It just doesn't look the same way, but it's really doing the same thing. So hit next. So sales channel, we want to select the page that we just made. So change and home decor plus, there it is. And then hit next. And then here's a business manager. We're going to select my business manager, but you can always create a new business manager. So if you don't have one, you can create a new one, but I'm going to select mine. And then, so we're going to need to create a new catalog. Oh, let's see. So right LLC, everything looks good. Yep. So hit next. We're going to hit create a new catalog because it's not going to let us select any of these other ones. So you can kind of see they're grayed out. It doesn't let us select it because these are probably being used by other shops. So we're going to have to create a new catalog. Home decor. Perfect. And then for shipping, I usually like to keep it simple. I just put standard shipping, so I'll turn that on. And then I leave all 0. I just do free shipping for everything, and then I just do 2 to 7. So 2 to 7 days, just because we're going to be using Amazon Prime as our main supplier. And usually with the Prime, we have obviously 2-day shipping. So 2 to 7 days is a pretty good guess on when our items will be delivered. You can offer, different shipping methods if you're shipping the items out yourself, but with drop shipping, we're typically not. So yeah, 30-day return window, that's the minimum. If you try to put 29, it won't let you. 30 days, so customers will have 30 days to return their items from the day they buy it from you. Right, and looks good by submitting, and then we just hit by submitting shop for review. Looks good, and finish setup. Email address is invalid. Oh, I used an old email address, so that's fine. We can just go ahead and change that. So go ahead and hit change right there, and just put in your business email address, and then hit next, and should work this time. All right, so looks good. So now we need to set up our payouts. So go ahead and get started. Just put the address where your LLC is registered. If you aren't using an LLC, just where you live. So yep, I cannot type. Let's see. Perfect. Go ahead and hit next. Business address. Category. Discount stores is fine. You can skip this step. So here's where you're going to put either an LLC or your corporation, or your, individual. So if you are an individual, you'll put individual and it'll ask you for your social security number instead of an EIN. But since I'm using an LLC, I will go ahead and put corporation. And then I'm going to put business name. Oh, yeah, corporation, business name. It's going to be my Full Car LLC. I cannot type EIN, so I don't have that memorized. Let me go find it real quick. What is it? 1 second. All right, so it's gonna be here. Wrong folder, or is it LLCs? What am I doing? Okay, Full Car, there we go. EIN, copy and paste. All right, and then obviously your first name and name, blah, 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 your birthday. Hit next. So let me go and grab that info real quick. I don't have that memorized either. Navy Federal, 1 sec. Okay, let me hide that. I don't want you to see it. All right, give me 1 moment. Come on. There we go. All right. So paste in your routing number and your account number. Here we go. All right. Finish setup, and this shouldn't take very long. At this point, we're just going to wait. Usually it takes about a minute, doesn't take too long. Cool. All right. And at this point, your shop is in review. So commerce account review, inventory review 0. We don't have anything listed, so we can't publish shop. So we're going to hit not now. And then first thing we're going to check is going to be sales channels. So on the right, you're going to hit manage. And you're going to see, so you see how it says due to increased demand, blah, blah, blah. Won't be available till mid-2022. So unfortunately, it is kind of a waiting game right now. We're just waiting for them to open up marketplace and shops again. Some new shops do have it enabled already, so you'll see a green marketplace if that is the case. But for now, just hit enable, and it'll say it'll automatically enable once it's available in mid 2022. This did just say early 2022, so we don't really have an exact date. So yeah, I mean, it is just kind of a waiting game, unfortunately. But just make sure that you enable it so that it automatically enables itself once it is available. And that's kind of the biggest thing that we're waiting for right now. And unfortunately, it is a waiting game. There's nothing we can really do. There was a loophole to kind of get this activated, but it seems that they have fixed that glitch. So yeah, there's really nothing we can do right now in regards to this. So yeah, once you enable it, you're going to go over to overview. And let's see. So again, exit out of this. So we're going to need to Link, our software that we're using for repricing and our stock inventory. So I like to use FBMFOX. I will have a referral link down in the description that will give you some sort of discount. I think it's like 10%. So, all right. So then once you get signed up for FBMFOX, you're going to go down to your account settings. You're going to go to your Facebook shop settings on the right. What am I doing? Hold on. Where is it? Yeah, account settings, Facebook shop settings. Sorry about that. And then you're going to hit copy right there. So now it's copied onto your clipboard, and you're going to go ahead and paste that. But where do we paste it? So you're going to go to your catalog, data or data sources, however you like to say it. You're going to go and add items on the top right, add multiple items. Then you're going to go to hit data feed. Next. Then you're going to go hit yes, your spreadsheet is ready. You're going to hit next. Use a URL. You'll paste the URL here. And then leave username and password blank because it doesn't really need it. So hit next. Alright, and then so right now I have, how many products do I have? I have 108 products. This is a new shop. So I like it to upload every single hour. So this is pretty much how often your products will be updated. So if the stock price changes, it'll be every hour. I'm OCD, so I'm gonna set it to 7 p.m. on the dot. It'll usually start it at right at the same exact time that you put the URL in. So right now 7:45, it had 7:45, but I'm just gonna set it to the exact hour just because I'm OCD about it, but it doesn't really matter because it'll still update every single hour. So where's Pacific time? PST, America, sure. All right, whatever. It doesn't matter. So then you're gonna hit next. You can rename your data feed here. I'm gonna put FBMFOX. Save feed and upload. So now we're gonna get into our first upload, and this won't take too long. I'll try to skip through this, but yeah, it's just you're just waiting. So we should see 108 products right here where it says items updated or added. So 108. If there's an error with the couple, sometimes it'll say 105 or 106, 7. If it's not able to upload all of them, which should be fine. So we'll see. So we're just waiting at this point. All right. Boom. So 107. So yeah, it looks like there was an error with one item. So not too big of a deal. Just ignore it. Doesn't really matter too much. So if you wanted to check which item it is, it'll usually tell you. You hit view report, and it'll tell you kind of right there which items are having issues being listed for whatever reason. So I think it's one of these items. But yeah, so part 4. So we're almost done. Just wait it out a little bit longer. Let's see. Just waiting. All right, so let's just refresh. Maybe it's actually done. Yeah, looks like it's done. Cool. So you're gonna go ahead, hit items on the left, and now all these items will be in your catalog, and you're good to go. So if you go back to overview, it'll still prompt you to publish your shop, but we can't. So manage, we're still waiting on that. So we're just reviewing your shop. So at this point, you should be good. We're just reviewing. Your shop is just being reviewed, and we're waiting for Marketplace to be enabled. There's really nothing else to do at this point, but at least you're ready for when that does become enabled. And yeah, so let's see. I guess I'll show you guys my shop so you guys can see it. Once you do have Marketplace enabled and everything, this is kind of what you'll see. So let's see. Right now, this shop is done. I only have 98 products. Let's see, what have I sold? I don't even know what I'm selling half the time because the VAs are doing the product research at this point. So it looks like my main seller this month has been, I did that Biden stickers. So let's see. if, let's see, go to suppliers. So FBMFOX will actually put the link here to see your supplier, which is kind of convenient. So yeah, I mean, I've sold this item 20 times this month, and you know, not getting political here, it's just I don't do the research. The VAs just kind of see what's selling, and then they list that for me, right? So I didn't even know that I was selling this item, but just wanted to show you guys how it looked. Let's see, go back. Let's see, overview. So go to all your insights, and you can kind of see, you know, what the shop's done. So in the last 28 days, this shop's done $2,800 in sales, and I'm averaging like 10 to 30% on profit margins. So I would say, you know, pretty decent profit margins for Facebook. And yeah, that's pretty much it here. Let's see, go to overview again, see anything else I can show you guys. I think that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys found any value in this video at all, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't, and also make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram, and then I'll catch you guys on the next one.